All right, I'm Cody. I'm going to be the nurse practitioner student doing the exam on you today. What brings you into the clinic today?
I just moved here and I need a primary care doctor.
Okay. All right. Do you have any shortness of breath or chest pain or anything going on like that?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Any medical histories with your chest, lungs?
No,
Okay.
No issues.
All right. First, we'll just do an inspection of your chest cavity. I'll feel your chest cavity. I'll listen. I'll do some palpating where I hit my finger and just listen for noise changes and things like that. And then we'll move on to examination of your heart. Okay?
All right.
You have any questions about the exam?
Nope.
Okay. First off, I'm just going to look at your chest. I'm going to look for symmetrical chest rise and fall. I'll look for color and any accessory use. Listen for any kind of audible wheezing or stridor. Don't see any accessory muscle use. Skin's pink, looks normal. Go ahead and cross your arms, your chest there for me. Just breathe normally. All right, everything looks good. There, let me turn this just a little bit. Camera. We have a camera going here just for educational purposes. Okay, and just some anatomical locations. You have your C7 process here, and then your T1 process there. In the front, you can see, you can set your arms down. You have your sternal notch here, you have your sternal angle there, and your sternum along the sides or your sternal borders come down to your xiphoid process with your epigastrum and your costal angles. Everything appears normal. I'm just now going to fill your chest. I'll fill for any crepitus. It's kind of like popping, like a Rice Krispie popping, filling. And so I'll go ahead and do that now. And tell me if you have any pain anywhere. Okay, go ahead and lift your arms up just a little bit for me. Okay. Okay, I'm going to check your thoracic expansion. If you'll just go ahead and exhale. Okay, and take a breath. Okay, looks good. I'll move the camera back here so let's see what we're doing. Okay, go ahead and exhale. Okay, and inhale again. Okay, one more time. And exhale. Great. Now I'm going to percuss over your lung fields, okay? And then after that, I'll have you say a phrase called 99, but I'll tell you when to do that, okay? So just going to percuss now. Okay, all right, that's good. Let's go to the front here. Same thing. Okay, sounds good. Now I'm going to check your diaphragmatic excursion. So I'm going to measure 2 different points on each side. I'll have you exhale, hold your breath, and I'll put get a couple pieces of tape here. This just measures to make sure that your lung expansion, everything is equal and normal. All right, so I'm going to have you put your arms just across your chest like that. Again. Okay, go ahead and take a deep breath and hold it. Okay. And exhale. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Take a couple breaths. Okay, and then exhale and hold it. Okay, and release. Okay, now inhale. Okay. All right, we can relax. Should be 3 to 6 centimeters. That one's 3 even. That one is as well. Okay, I'm gonna take these off you. And all those sounds on the percussion, they were all normal. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and listen to your lungs. This might be a little cold. And just breathe normal. Okay, I'm going to have you put your arms across your chest again. I'm going to listen to you from the sides and then I'll listen to you from the back, okay? Okay. Normal respirations, they're clear. I don't hear any wheezing, I don't hear any crackles or stridor. Okay, I'm going to listen to you from the back here. Just breathe normal. All that's good. Now we'll move on to the heart portion. First, I'm just going to look at your chest here. Again, we'll note some anatomical positions: sternal notch, sternal borders, sternum, xiphoid process, epigastrum, costal angles here, your axilla, and your apex of your heart sits right here. So I'm going to inspect your precordium. So I'm just going to look here, looking for any pulsation. Okay, now I'm going to have you lay down and I'm going to look. Alright, I'm actually going to come on this side of the table. Same thing. Looking for any kind of pulsations. I don't see anything there. Okay, I'm going to inspect here. Just feel. Feel for any pulsations or thrills. don't feel anything. Okay. And then I'm just going to listen here to your apical pulse. Normal rate rhythm. I'm going to listen to a few spots here. We can actually sit you up. Okay, we're going to listen to the aortic spot here. And the pulmonic. And the Erb's point. Tricuspid. And the mitral. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other side of my stethoscope. Aortic. Okay, here too. Pulmonic. Okay, Erb's point. Tricuspid. And mitral. Okay, I don't notice any murmurs. I hear normal rate and rhythm. I hear normal S1 and S2. I don't hear anything abnormal there. I am going to go back and do one fill tactile formatus, and because I skipped that lung section. So I'll put my hands and just have you say 99, and I'll do it front and back. So I'll just go ahead and do that now. Probably just do it one-handed. Okay, just say 99.
99.
And again.
99.
Again.
99.
Again.
99.
Okay. Again.
99.
Again.
99.
Okay. And I'm going to do that posterior. Okay.
99.
Again.
99.
Okay.
99.
Okay. And now I'm just going to listen to you in a couple places. I want you to do the same thing. Just say 99 when you feel my stethoscope move, okay?
99. 99. 99. 99. 99. 99.
Okay. All that sounds normal. All right, and this concludes our examination of your heart and lungs.